How do you get paid to do what you want to do with your photography? Well, this is a very interesting question. Well, the first thing first is with any business, if you know your market, your target audience, and you have the product or the service with you, you can obviously do and make money with what you want to do or whatever that you do currently. If you are an indoor wedding, like indoor photographer, if you are an architectural photographer, and if you target wedding clients, do you think you're going to make money out of it? You have to specialize because wedding is very vast. The business, photography business, is a very vast business, and you have to understand what are your strengths, in which genre of photography you have your strength. If you have your strength in landscape photography, then focus on that. If you have your strength in wedding photography, then focus on that. If you have your strengths in wildlife photography, then focus on that. And after that, you need to understand where is the market, where is the demand. By demand, what I mean is where is the money. If you are a landscape photographer, it doesn't really make sense to target wedding photographers, right? So what you would do? What would you do? Look into the market, look at the market, and find out how the top landscape photographers are making money, what exactly that they are doing. Understand how, maybe just have a word with them, ask them like, I want to learn about this, can you just please help me out? Typically people do, most people they don't. It's completely fine. Follow them around. You can use Google to learn about where their online presence is, learn about them. Don't harm them, but learn about how they make money, and from like you will have an understanding if you do a little bit of research. You can start approaching those places or those vendors or those websites and tell them, okay, if you have, obviously you need to have a quality work. If you are a shitty photographer, then it's not going to work for obvious reasons. You need to have a professional quality work, or at least somewhat professional quality where people will be willing to pay you, and start approaching them, talk to them like, okay, initially, obviously, because no one knows you, you don't have a brand value, people will be like, who are you? I'm not really interested. So you have to constantly hammer them. Like, I have this product, I have this images, or I have this service, I can help you, I can help you, I can help you. Take it for free, use it as your wallpaper, do whatever that you want, whatever that it takes to get through the door. So once you're through the door, then build up your portfolio, keep on learning, never give up, never stop learning. If you stop learning, then your art will die and someone else will take your place, because you are always replaceable. You have to, right now we are competing on the global level. We are not competing on local level. Everything is there on the internet. People from Philippines and from other countries, they are going to knock you down. They're really talented and they really work hard. So these are the few factors. And after which, if you have supply of content, if you know where to supply your content, then obviously you are going to make money with what you want to do. And this is as simple as it goes. But there's a lot of hard work that goes behind it. But I'm pretty much sure if you are patient, if you are persistent, if you are very serious about your work and your career and your future, then you are going to make it. And before you go, make sure you subscribe to our channel for more useful information every week. Also, like and share this video if you found this video useful. I would love to hear from you. Leave a comment below with your questions or suggestions. This channel is supported by viewers just like you. You can also just click the thumbnail and watch another video from this channel. I'll see you guys soon.